Hello amigos, my name is Jatin and welcome to my channel techyrators. This is my second video and in this video I'll show you how to make your Pendrive bootable in Linux operating system. I'm gonna show you two ways to make your Pendrive bootable. First is Graphically and the second is Commandline. I'm using Ubuntu here, and if you want to make your Pendrive bootable using Ubuntu, then watch the full video. But before that, do subscribe to my channel techyrators and hit the bell icon to get all updates of my channel. And don't forget to hit the like button if you like my video. And one thing, in the second part of the video, I'll show you how to make your Pendrive bootable in Windows operating system. So for now, let's get started. So let's get started with making the Pendrive bootable using graphical method. So for that, you want an application named gnome disk utility, and it is by default installed in Ubuntu. But if it is not installed in case, so I'll tell you how to install gnome disk utility in your machine. So first, open your terminal and run a command. This command, copy and paste. So before running this command, make sure you have an active internet connection. Then enter and type password. Enter. This shows the gnome disk utility is already the newest version, means it is installed in my system. So go to the application and scroll down and click on disk. This is the application that gnome disk utility we installed. Click on it and you see we have two pen drives and one hard disk. That is 16 GB thumb drive and that is 7.8 GB thumb drive. In this 16 GB we make it graphical bootable, and with this 7.8 GB we make a command line bootable pen drive. So first select this and go to the right top corner, click on the three line, then restore disk image, click on it and choose the path of the ISO. So you need an ISO to make your pendrive bootable. So select an ISO and then open and start restoring. This will say all existing data will be lost. So make sure you back up your data or format your pendrive before that. And restore and password. Enter. This will take time, so make sure if you have any data in the pen drive, it will be lost. So take backup first before doing this step. So this is taking time, so move to the next step, that is making pendrive bootable with command line method. So open a terminal and you have to first unmount your disk. So first check the name of the disk, fdisk-l. Oh, we need to use sudo because we are not a root user. Enter. Sudo fo. There's a mistake in the spelling. Enter. So you see we have SDB1 that is 15 GB and SDC that is 7.3 GB. That the pen drive we want to make it bootable using command line. So unmount it. Umount. We need to use sudo sudo umount /tel/sdc1. Enter. And now run a command. Here's the command, that is sudo dd, and copy this, and paste it here, paste. So clear it first, and you see first is sudo and type dd, and if is equal to path of ISO file, so you have to define your path of the ISO file. So my ISO file in /o. So my ISO file is in ./os and /ubuntu. This is a part of my ISO file, and now you have to mention the name, that is stc, and this M is in capital letter. Enter. Now you have to wait until it get finished. So go to your graphical method and you see the pen drive is now bootable, as when you check it, the name of the drive, it changed to Ubuntu, and we have to wait until the next pen drive or drive make bootable. So I have to wait until it is completed. It takes almost 1 to 2 seconds, so wait until it. You can skip the video if you want, because this is the last step, and after that, after this is completed, the pen drive is bootable. After it is completed, it shows 3 or 2 lines of the data is copied. Wait until it, the message to be displayed in just a few seconds. Oh, it is taking time, so wait until it. Basically, this is the last step. So after that, your both USB drives are bootable. So you use them for what you want. Just wait. And one more thing, in the next video I'll show you how to make your pen drive bootable in Windows operating system. So keep updating in my channel. Processing is complete, and you see here 3 lines that the record is copied, and now your both pen drives are bootable. When you see this, both USB drive name changes to Ubuntu. And this is the end of the video, and I'll show you 2 methods to make your pen drive bootable. So thank you for watching the video, and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get all updates. And also I'm giving next video on how to make bootable pen drive in Windows operating system, so don't miss the video if you want to make your pen drive bootable in Windows operating system. So for now, bye bye.